Alright, so today we have, someone almost got in an accident and I barely clipped somebody else. But we have this stuff here. That looks pretty.
Come off.
Yeah, that came out great. Let me see that.
This will come off.
What is it called? Let me see.
Scratch Doctor.
Scratch Doctor. Oh, wow. Okay. So you see how it looks now. Wow.
I think we can get this off.
Yeah, you're right. That's incredible.
I got my truck if this don't work.
Okay. No, the top of that came off.
I know it did.
Yeah.
It's just barely on there. That's because it's just barely.
That's great. Now, can that be used on the headlight too, besides just the paint? Wow. Look at that. Oh, shit.
It's coming off.
It's definitely coming off. Do you want me, or if your arms get tired, let me know. I can buff it. I can put in some elbow grease.
Some of it came off.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And it won't take any finish off.
Yeah, that's great. It's like crud cutter for cars.
Well,
That's unbelievable.
It's got like a mild abrasive in it.
Yeah.
Very mild.
Right. Wow. Now what about in here?
I'm gonna get this. Get that and do that.
In there. Wow, that's unbelievable.
We could do the headlight too. We can get this right here.
Wow, it's like nothing.
This is the worst here.
Okay. So that was it. No water, no sandpaper, no nothing.
See, look, it's coming right off.
Wow.
See, look.
That's great.
Take your finger down, get it off.
Okay. Wow. Oh man, that's beautiful. Try it on the headlight, yeah. Oh yeah. So I mean,
that toothpaste will do that.
Yeah.
Toothpaste will take that.
Oh, that's great.
Let's try this right here. I'm just curious.
You're trying it on the headlight.
And right here.
Okay. Yeah, that's great, man.
I got shit in my truck too.
Okay.
I got pops. Oh, man.
Thank you. Yeah, that's a huge help. I knew they had something like that. I never heard of Scratch Doctor though.
That's coming right off. That's coming right off.
Beautiful. That's all light off. There we go.
That's all.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now let's get
That's
this
great.
off. Now let's get this off.
Okay.
Let's finish getting this off.
Yeah, it's just
You could get a real coming off of my finger now.
So as you can see, it is clearly working. That's fantastic. So maybe like a little bit of sandpaper for the headlight, but nothing crazy.
Nah, this you won't even know this happened.
Very minimal, yeah. Wow, Scratch Doctor 2.0. Holy
and then you
crap.
can go, well,
that's amazing.
How much damage could I've done to her car? Look at my car.
Right. Wow. All right, well, there we have it, folks. Scratch Doctor 2.0.